The Egyptian pyramids are a wonder of the ancient world, known for their grandeur, size, and the mystery surrounding their construction. Built over a span of nearly 3,000 years, these impressive structures served as tombs for the pharaohs and their consorts, and are a testament to the ingenuity, engineering, and resourcefulness of the ancient Egyptians. Despite the numerous theories and studies carried out over the years, the mystery surrounding the construction of the pyramids remains unsolved. Historians and scientists have proposed several hypotheses, ranging from the use of ramps and levers to the involvement of extraterrestrial beings. We will delve into the various theories and explore the mystery behind the construction of the Egyptian pyramids. The Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu, is the largest and most famous of the Egyptian pyramids. It is estimated to have taken around 20 years to build, and is made up of over 2 million limestone blocks, each weighing up to 80 tons. The pyramid stands at 147 meters tall and remained the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. The other two pyramids at Giza, the Pyramid of Khafra and the Pyramid of Menkaure, are smaller in size but no less impressive. All three pyramids were built during the Old Kingdom period, around 2600 BC to 2100 BC, and are known for their precise construction and alignment with the stars. The construction of the Egyptian pyramids has been the subject of much debate and speculation over the years. Some of the popular theories and hypotheses include ramp and lever system. One of the most widely accepted theories is that the ancient Egyptians used a ramp and lever system to move the massive limestone blocks into place. The ramps were constructed out of mud brick and would have been used to transport the blocks up to the next level of the pyramid. The use of levers, pulleys, and counterweights would have allowed the workers to lift the blocks into place with a high degree of accuracy. However, the question remains as to how the workers would have constructed the ramps without interfering with the construction of the pyramid itself. Water transport. Another theory proposes that the limestone blocks were transported to the construction site via the Nile River. The blocks would have been transported on barges, and then moved from the river to the construction site using a system of canals. While this theory does explain how the massive blocks were transported to the site, it does not address how the blocks were lifted into place or how the construction workers were able to achieve such a high degree of precision. Extraterrestrial assistance. Some proponents of the extraterrestrial hypothesis suggest that the ancient Egyptians may have received assistance from advanced beings to build the pyramids. They point to the precise alignment of the pyramids with the stars and the sheer size and weight of the blocks used in their construction as evidence of extraterrestrial involvement. However, there is no concrete evidence to support this theory, and it is not widely accepted within the scientific community. Although there are numerous theories and hypotheses surrounding the construction of the Egyptian pyramids, the mystery remains unsolved. While the use of a ramp and lever system remains the most widely accepted theory, there are still many questions surrounding how the workers were able to construct the ramps without interfering with the construction of the pyramid itself. Despite the mystery surrounding their construction, the Egyptian pyramids remain one of the most impressive achievements of the ancient world, a testament to the ingenuity, resourcefulness, and engineering skills of the ancient Egyptians. Thanks for watching.